Hi students, today I am discussing the charts, elements of the charts and its type, and what are the use of the charts in the MS Excel. Now, first we are discussing what do we mean by the chart. In Microsoft Excel, charts are used to make a graphical representation of any set of data. Means it is a visual representation of the data in which the data is represented by the symbols such as a bar in the bar chart, lines in the line chart. If we are using the pie chart, then there will be a different portions. Okay, so these are the symbols which is represent the data, and the charts make it easier to draw the comparisons, see growths and relationship among the values and the trends in the data. They also provide an accurate analysis of the information. Now we are discussing the chart elements. Okay, now there will be a 9 elements of the chart. Chart title, legend, category axis, value axis, category names, chart area, plot area, data series and grid lines. Okay, so first we are discussing the chart area. See, chart area include all the areas and object of the chart. This is the chart area. Okay, so in this the different objects are there, and this area comprises the x-axis, y-axis, all the values. Okay, so this is called the chart area. Now next one is the plot area. Plot area means it contains the actual chart itself. In the plot area you are plotting the chart according to the value. So in the plot area, it is the window within the chart area, and it contains the actual chart itself, including the category axis, value axis, data series and plotted values. Okay, now next one is the category names. This names can be either be horizontal or the vertical, and which are displayed on the x-axis and the y-axis. Here this one is the x-axis category name. मतलब x-axis पे क्या नाम है उसको बोलते हैं category name, and what is the y-axis category name. Okay, so these are the category name. Now vertical axis, or we can say the value axis, that is the y-axis to plot the values. So these are the y-axis. Value axis is also called the y-axis, and category axis is also called the x-axis, in which we are showing the categories. Now next one is the data series. Now what is the data series? Data series are the bars, slice or other element that show the data values. Okay, by using the different color you can show the data. Okay, so you are applying the different style in it. So this is called the data series. What is the legend? Legend is depict the colors, patterns or the symbols assigned to the data series. It helps to differentiate the data. If you want to differentiate the data between the categories, then you have to use the legend. Next one is the grid lines. Now grid line, it can be either horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart types. Okay, here we have horizontal line only. Like a bar chart, we can use the vertical line. So these are the lines, it is called the grid lines, and it is also make it easier to read and understand the values. Now chart title. Now it describes the aim and content of the chart. Okay, so what are the aim of the chart? You can write it in the chart title. So these are the elements of the chart. Now next we are discussing the types of the chart. There are different types are available in the chart, but some of the commonly used chart are bar chart, column chart, line chart, pie chart, area chart, XY, or we can say the scatter chart. First we are discussing the bar chart. Now what do we mean by the bar chart? Bar chart illustrates the comparison among the individual items. You can compare the individual items using the bar chart. It displays the data in the form of long rectangular rows. This long horizontal road is called the bar. In the bar chart, it displays the category at the y-axis and the value along the horizontal x-axis. Okay, so this is the bar chart. Now next one is the column chart. The column chart is look like the bar chart, but in the column chart are useful to visually compare the value across a few categories. If you have a different category, then you can analyze it properly with using the column chart. It is default chart type of the MS Excel, and in the column chart, category is displayed along the x-axis, horizontal axis, and the values is along the vertical axis. We can say the y-axis. Okay, whereas in the bar chart, the value will be on the horizontal and category is on the vertical line. Okay, in the column chart, value is on the vertical and category is on the horizontal line. Now next one is the line chart. The line chart is especially effective in displaying the trends at equal intervals. If in the equal interval there will be a different trends, then you can show it by the line chart. And it is the form of lines is used to illustrate the trends in the data at a equal interval. In a line chart, the vertical axis always display the numeric value and the horizontal axis display the time or other categories. It is generally used to represent the huge amount of data. Okay, and it is generally useful and emphasize the continuity by showing the change in data over the time. Okay, so this is the line chart. Now next one is the pie chart. Now what is the pie chart? Pie chart shows the items in the one data series proportional to the sum of the items. Means this chart display the data in the form of circle that is divided into the series of the segment. In one circle there will be a different segment according to the value. Means this type of the chart is used with the similar number of the values. Next is area chart. Now area chart is like the line chart except that the area below the plot line is solid. In the line chart there will be a single line, but in the area chart there will be a solid plot line also. So that is called the magnitude. So this type of the chart has a greater visual impact than a line chart. Area chart can be used to plot change over a time in the years, months and days or category and draw attention to the total value across a trend. So this is called the area chart. And the last one is the scattered XY chart. This chart either shows the relationship in several data series or plot two groups of the number as a one series of the XY coordinates. This chart shows the uneven interval or cluster of the data and is commonly used for displaying the scientific data, statistical data and engineering data. There will be many types of the data, then you can show it by the scatter chart. In this scatter chart, x-axis usually assigned to an independent variable, that variable whose value is controlled. Okay, and in the y-axis that become the dependent variable, means each value dependent on the corresponding value of the variable x. तो y एक्सेस किस पे डिपेंड करता है? x वैल्यू पे डिपेंड करता है, and x वैल्यू इज अ कंट्रोलेबल वैल्यू, दैट इज द इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, and the y-axis become the dependent variable. Is that clear? So this is all about the chart types. In this video we have learned the charts, its elements and the types of the chart. In the next video I will discuss how to insert a chart, how to formatting the chart, how to resize it, etc. Thank you for watching a video.